Uncle Morty asked to stay at my place last summer when he was coming to New York on a buying trip. He didn't want to pay fancy New York prices for a hotel. I said sure. I get along with Uncle Morty. I asked my girlfriend, Astrid, if it was okay, not mentioning that I'd already said yes to Uncle Morty. It didn't matter because she said fine. She'd met him once and didn't mind him at all.
Hello?
Hello, it's Uncle Morty. I'm here.
Okay, Uncle Morty, I'll be right down.
I'm on a third floor walk up and have to go down to let people in because there's no lock release on the intercom. Uncle Morty had a little soft-sided suitcase and a worn brown briefcase.
Hello, it's Uncle Morty.
Hiya, Morty. Come on in.
Uncle Morty is short and stocky and dark, with thick glasses. We went upstairs and Morty shook Astrid's hand. Astrid is tall and blonde. Morty said,
Morty Weskin.
You've met Astrid, Uncle Morty?
Sure, I didn't know if you remembered.
Your room is here.
Later I said,
What do you want for dinner, Uncle Morty?